अगर वैसे ही मरना है तो खा के
चलो.
This is your
And food is food, yaar.
Nice.
I'm only dropping food. I don't know why. I'm so clumsy.
Yeah, we can start now, guys. Come on, everyone, move.
I don't think gossip, but Mahip has all the information.
She gets the info.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything. we just it was at a friend's 20 silver wedding anniversary, huge big party, and Seema and I we went to the restroom just to touch up, but we needed more than touching up because I looked at her and her top was here. And she started laughing. And I started laughing and I said, Seema, look at your top. She said, look at yours. Even mine was here.
So and so did this to me yesterday or did this whatever thing. Chal, unfollow.
Hello and welcome. This is Anita Brito in conversation with a few from Delhi who are living their fabulous life and our very own OG, the Bollywood wives. Hello, girls, ladies. I can see मैंने ना कब से देख रही हूँ कि everyone is talking about Delhi versus Bombay. इसका खाना अच्छा है, उसका खाना अच्छा है. I said आपको खाना ही खिला रख के start करती हूँ मैं अपना ये. And food is food यार. जहाँ से भी है तो food is food. तो कैसा लग रहा है आप लोग को आपका खाना?
बहुत बढ़िया.
Yes. I've heard everyone on this stage is a big foodie. So tell me what would be your last meal if I may ask? Like अगर कुछ आपको जो last time खाना है तो what would that be?
Oh my god.
It's a bit dark now.
Can I say it?
Yes, please.
It'll be my grandmother's gajar ka halwa.
Nice, very nice.
I love
Mine would
Gujarati
be,
food.
mine would be pasta.
Nice. Others?
Can I say chana bhatura
Yes, of course. Why not?
and a cold glass of lassi?
Ooh, yum. Nice.
Delhi aja. Move to Delhi.
I would eat lots of shellfish because I feel I'm allergic to it.
Okay.
So अगर वैसे ही मरना है तो
तो खा के
मरना
चलो.
है.
Very good.
I think mine would be
Good one.
crab curry.
So Goan or Goan
All
crab
the way,
curry?
crab curry,
Oh, superb. मेरा पानी पूरी होएगा forever. That is the dish that I can eat. Yeah. मैंने सोचा था आप लोग को पानी पूरी खिला दूं, but मैंने देख लिया कि हो चुका है वो सब. तो I said let it be. But since let's start with truth bombs. Okay. Who's the biggest gossip in your group?
I don't think gossip, but Mahip has all the information.
She gets the info.
Yeah.
Everything.
Everything. Yeah.
But nobody gossips.
Yeah.
Okay.
we just hear it out. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Has anyone ever had a major wardrobe malfunction at a public event? Spill.
I did.
Seema's had it also.
I've had with Seema's outfit.
I've had multiple malfunctions.
But before the party.
No, during.
Ours was during the party.
Yeah?
Both of us.
Which
together.
party
When
was
was
this?
It was
When-
mine. Yeah, this is
It
a good
was
story.
at a friend's 20 silver wedding anniversary, huge big party, and Seema and I we went to the restroom just to touch up, but we needed more than touching up because I looked at her and her top was here. And she started laughing. And I started laughing and I said, Seema, look at your top. She said, look at yours. Even mine was here. And that was Seema's creation. Seema Khan. Yeah. And Mahip was laughing at us. You were pregnant.
Was I?
Yeah.
With my baby Jahan?
Yes.
Even you had, you said.
No, I didn't.
No?
I've had one. I don't know if it's a wardrobe malfunction, but so I went to this dinner, and everybody said, "My God, we love your hair. The hairstyle is amazing." I kept saying, "Thank you, thank you." When I said, "What the hell have I done? It's the same." I still had rollers from my hair, which I hadn't taken out. I'd gone to the party and they were curled in like this, and everybody thought it was a new hairdo. And then I just kept it like that. I don't know if that qualifies.
It is a fact.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is.
Definitely a mal.
Yeah, it was like
Okay. Who's the biggest diva on set and off set?
Everyone.
everyone in their own ways.
I think
Yeah.
Shalini.
Yeah,
I think Shalini.
yeah. I think everyone, no? We all have our
No, I'm not a diva.
she's not a diva.
Okay.
Considering you have an entourage of like 10 people.
Yeah.
It's Shalini.
Shalini.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalega.
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 Okay. Who do you think is most likely to start drama in your friend circle?
Start drama.
Yeah.
I think it depends on the situation. We're all capable.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
one's But no one's going to start unnecessarily creating a fuss or drama.
Okay.
If it calls for drama, then any one of us, I guess,
Yeah.
will start.
So everyone is equally.
Yeah,
cute.
we're all drama
Drama.
queens in our own right.
Yeah. Okay. Who amongst you had a fake fight for the camera? And tell me what happened.
No,
No,
fake.
no,
There
hasn't been
So everything that we see on
is
There's
real.
nothing fake.
Really?
There's nothing fake. Yeah.
You can't fake these fights. Trust
We
me.
need the Oscar then.
There was nothing fake. Everything's
Okay.
real.
Who's the biggest social media stalker among all of you?
I think not stalker,
Not
but I think
stalker.
Bhavna spends a lot of time on social media.
Yeah.
Not stalking people, but
Information, gathering
Yeah,
information.
she's up
I
to
do,
date,
I
up
do.
to speed with everything.
Yeah, I do. I'm a lot on social media.
How about recently have you gone on someone's social media
Oh, like
account and
stalking?
just
No.
checked?
You know, I'm following everyone. There's like no hidden account. Like it's not like I'm not following the person. I'm following everyone I want to follow. So there are no like second
Yeah.
accounts and following. No.
Anyone else has a fake
I
account?
think even you. No.
No?
No.
None.
Maheep's also a lot on social media. I think.
I have a dummy account,
I'm more or less than everyone else.
and that's more for like
Honestly.
testing and
We keep it real.
Nice. Have you stalked anyone, Shalini?
just myself.
What do you mean stalk yourself?
अपने आप की अपनी
तो
photo
डमी
देखती
अकाउंट
रहती
से तू रियल अकाउंट को देखती रहती
हूँ।
है
dummy
I
account से
used
तुझे
to
अपनी
stalk
से sing.
Urfi, but
Oh,
now
I follow her.
Yeah, but now
I follow
after
her.
watching
I,
the show,
I have a lot of respect.
I have a lot of respect.
Yeah,
yeah.
I've started following
She's-
her.
dummy account. Yeah.
Nice. Okay. Who can unfollow someone for the pettiest reason? आप में से.
Me.
Yeah? What can trigger you?
Anything. Like, let me just wake up one morning and I'm like, so and so did this to me yesterday or did this whatever thing, just unfollow.
But then you follow them again back.
No.
Khalas, gone.
Alas, gone.
आप लोग में से किसी ने किया है कभी?
I have unfollowed people.
Yeah.
I have unfollowed people who sometimes just randomly post too much.
But that's most of us. Huh?
Yeah, but sometimes there are people who just randomly post too much, and so I've unfollowed a lot of those.
My deal breaker is if someone betrays me and my trust. You know, that person is completely out of my friend list, friend zone, out of my life, period. So I've done that and not apologetic.
Yeah, I am similar
Yeah.
in that way. खलास बस
Khalas,
इसके आगे
like
you don't
finish.
get the chance
That's the
after
deal
this.
breaker.
Yeah.
You're not loyal to me, you don't deserve to be on my friend list.
Okay. Who throws the best parties in Bollywood and who throws the worst?
I think Gauri Shahrukh.
Yeah, Gauri.
Best.
Yeah, best parties. Yeah.
And worst?
There's no worst party as such.
So bad. चलो कोई एक bad experience हुआ वैसा वाला है?
Not
I am surprised you are playing very safe. I feel.
But no,
Yeah.
But there isn't. And it'd be mean, na? एक तो बुलाया, खाया, पिया, and then you're like bitching about the party. It's not right.
Have na one.
ठीक है. चलो, I'll let this go.
Yeah.
Have you ever accidentally revealed something too personal on camera? Anyone?
no,
No.
Never.
never.
Wow.
No.
Okay. Which Bollywood wife would you trust the least with a secret?
Me.
No,
You are the Bollywood wives.
Go to my
Look at
mom.
us.
No, I'm
I tell my mom
this side.
everything.
Look at this side. over.
Oh, are you talking about the four of us?
Yes.
Oh, the OG.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
the OGs.
no,
no,
the
no.
OGs.
Oh,
No, we are. No.
Listen, it is because we keep secrets that we are friends.
For so long. Yeah.
Makes sense, yeah. Who's always late and keeps everyone waiting for hours?
Amongst all of us?
Yes. All.
But I'd like to give
Everyone.
Shalini,
Shalini
crown.
probably.
No, because the first 2 times I came like on time. And I
When was
made
that,
to
honey?
Karwa Chauth day, which the day I was fasting. I waited for an hour for all of you.
But yeah, by and large,
But so I decided I will now come.
Shalini takes that title.
Yeah. So I decided like after like
I like how she's instigating me.
Who called it?
नहीं नहीं नहीं
Whole day.
रहने दो, रहने दो.
I was fasting that day and I had to wait for an hour. For all of you to come to the function.
But technically, you have to wait for the moon, not for us, no?
Yeah.
No, I
If you're
came,
fasting.
babe, I came to the function and and nobody was there for an hour.
I know.
So
but then
after
you're
that, I just
fasting, so
decided-
you could have
Even
just.
even
To
Ridhima
fasting, what
wasn't
could
there.
I've done?
I was.
No, she wasn't there also. That's why I'm saying when
Yeah.
I came, I had to wait for an hour. None of you guys were there, so I was just sitting there for an hour.
No, she's saying she was
and
fasting and she came,
and I
no
was
one was
fasting.
there. I said, wait for the moon, na? Then we're
We are
waiting for
always
people.
waiting.
No, I was waiting for the shoot to
But
start.
Anyway, we're giving
Shalini
Shalini the crown. I don't
Okay,
care.
but
Shalini,
Shalini,
you take the
Shalini,
crown.
but
Best thing
Ajay,
I've
Shalini
done.
ने अच्छा बदला लिया उसका. Makes us wait every time.
No, every time for 5 minutes till that 1 hour is over.
Okay,
अभी
done.
55 minutes हो चुके हैं.
So one more
So
time.
now
5 minutes for next time.
interview say she's going to be here
Done.
first.
Okay.
Okay, this is the last one. Have you ever gotten into a social media war? Anyone?
We've gotten to social media a little bit off camera, on camera, but not on Instagram.
Yeah.
This game is over. Thank you, Sia. Bye. Bye.